Hello friends, I am Shruti and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will speak something else that is related to this book, Why I Assassinated Gandhi. And in this book I will cover some of the things that is against our nation also, and it has proved Mahatma Gandhi to be wrong and also Nathuram Goddess to be great patriots. But actually it is reversed. You know that the very reason behind writing this book is to propagate the Hindu agenda of the extreme Orthodox Hindu people. But in ancient time, the Hinduism meaning was very different from what it is today. In this time, Hindus were very dedicated and they know how to live, how to cooperate with each other, and how to live the life of mutual relationship. But in today's time, it is very different. People want to exploit their own people, they want their own needs to meet, and for this purpose, they are making false controversy about each and everything. But still, with the new hope and aspiration with our minds and hearts, we can go forward, we can develop our nation, we can uplift and empower the women. Also, we can propagate and travel the true message towards humanity. That's why they will be very obliged to us and we will be very obliged to us. And this is the reason behind speaking for something else in YouTube channel. I thought it over for a long time and I came to the conclusion that I should say this. Hello friends, I am Smriti and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will discuss the latest and the controversial matter related to this topic, that is the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. Who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi? Why he assassinated Mahatma Gandhi? And also this topic relates to the person who killed Mahatma Gandhi is a patriot or a treason, and it will be proved in this video. And I will quote some of the great persons and their perception and think about Gandhi also. And in this video, I want to prove what Nathuram Goddess said in his book Why I Assassinated Gandhi is totally wrong. And in each line, I will review this book and I will also review my channel. And I request you to all of you, please press the bell icon therein under and like and subscribe my channel. So before going to start this video, we should have a precaution from escaping from the corona pandemic, because still there is a possibility of existence of corona. So we have to drop out some of the things and raw it on our palms, and then we start this video. So why assassinated Gandhi? In this topic we'll discuss fully the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, and you know who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi, why he assassinated Mahatma Gandhi. In the beginning of this chapter, just it has been written that in a quotation that is done by Mahatma Gandhi, if I am to die by the bullet of a madman, I must do so smiling. God must be in my heart and on my lips, and if anything happens, you are not to shed a single tear. In this quotation, you can know that it is the greatness of the Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi was a great man and a good patriot and the great patriot, and for this reason he was honored so many things and so many names and so many categorized things that you may know and from your reading, and you can have a basis conception about Mahatma Gandhi. So when did Mahatma Gandhi die? In this book, I have just hinted out some of the things that had already engrossed in this book. Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead in the prayer ground at 5:12 in the evening, January 13, 1948, and died 15 minutes later. Gandhi left in his home in the Villa House from the prayer after meeting a few minutes after the conclusion of his talks with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. As he walked up to the steps, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was leading to a prayer mandap. A young man aged about 35 years old approximately came before Gandhi and he offered pranam also, and then returned to his salute and then prayer. Gandhi smiled and replied, "You are late for the fray today." "So yes, I am," he replied. But just at the same time, the young man point blank range towards Gandhi and the bullet piercing the frail body of Mahatma Gandhi, and immediately Gandhi's body was collapsed, and thereafter he was speechless and died at the spot. That means the occurrence of the spot death was due to the firing of bullets from Nathuram Gode's gun. But there is a great controversy about the bullet theory. Some of the intellectuals argue that with a perfect conclusive evidence, Mahatma Gandhi was died through one bullet, and on other side, some of the intellectuals argue that Mahatma Gandhi was shot thrice to death. That means there were three bullets in Mahatma's body. But according to the doctor's report, actually there are three bullets, not one bullet. So my purpose of discussion is that those people who are arguing against Mahatma Gandhi that he was not good, but they also support the words expressed by Nathuram Godes in his just a useless book. I can call it useless book, don't mind, but I call it useless book. Why assassinated Gandhi? And some of the intellectuals who are against Mahatma Gandhi and in favor of Nathuram Godes, they should listen from me and they should be know well and they should have a clearance in their mind. There are so many persons in the world who supports Mahatma Gandhi. Though there are many faults in Mahatma Gandhi's life, though he may do so many wrongs in their life, but it is not justiciable to kill any person with the bullets and to take or snatch away the life of a innocent people. But to know this, we have to discuss this topic. From beginning of this book, there are 3 points to be revised. One is Gandhi supported the idea of separate state for the Muslim. In the sense, he was responsible for the creation of Pakistan. It is the first point to be remembered. Gandhi supported the idea of a separate state for the Muslim. In a sense, he was responsible for the creation of the Pakistan. But I do not support this point. There are two parties. There are two communal orienting parties. One is Hindu Mahasabha, another is Muslim League. And they wanted to create chaos and chaos for the country. And while meeting with Dr. Ambedkar or while confronting with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the leader of Muslim League and Orthodox Communal Party also, which is responsible for the partition of India, said to Dr. Ambedkar, we want the creation of a new country, that is Pakistan. It is not imaginary, it is a reality. But Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that by doing this, you will partition the country, and by doing this, the country will be divided into fragments and you cannot join it. And what would be done in future will be only responsible for you and your party. And this is the remark and I want to say it. And there is no say of Mahatma Gandhi and there is no hand of Mahatma Gandhi in this matter. Okay. Another point is, in spite of the Pakistani aggregation Kashmir, you know that there is an aggregation Kashmir due to the cover of the land, that is Kashmir, the Bhusorga of India. You can see the heaven of India also. And Gandhiji faced to compel the government of India to release an amount of 55 crores to Pakistan. It is a matter of political thing, so we should not go beyond that. What we have, that should be discussed. The belligerence of Muslim was a result of Mahatma Gandhi's policy of appeasement. Belligerence means the great thing that you can say. The meaning is there is various meaning and very manifold meanings, and it can be also leads to some of the confused things. But still, I want to say this belligerence of Muslim means the excellence of the Muslims. Actually, there is no excellence of the Muslims. Before pre-independent period, Muslims were also depressed, the Hindus were also depressed, and all the people dwelling in the country, they are also depressed. But the depression was caused by the British rulers. The island rulers or the foreign rulers or the ruled, those who were ruling us for a long time, especially approximately from 6003 to 1947, approximately more than 200 years. From the reign of Queen Elizabeth I to the departure of Lord Mountbatten, giving his shifted hand to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So, in this topic, we have to go forward and have a long discussion about this book. So, the confession of Nathuram Godes, the person who killed Gandhi, he said that partition of India having been conceded on 15th August 1947, the British came to one India and the two dominations. India transited and Pakistan took safe. There is a large-scale migration of population with untold violence, murder, looting, and rape and whatnot. So there is a large-scale violation due to the partition of India. But the responsibility for the partition of India that does not go to only Mahatma Gandhi. It is also only the fault of Muslim League as well as the Hindu Mahasabha. So there is a blur in your mind, and our mind has been corrupted that we have a very misconception about this. So the person who killed Mahatma Gandhi, we call him a great patriot, but actually he is not a great patriot. I will prove it in a few minutes. Look and watch my video for a long time with great patience, hope, and aspiration. I am not saying anything about this book. Even I am not in the support of banning of this book. Why I assassinate Gandhi? Because every book has its liberation. I support the liberation. I support the freedom. Because every thought should be propagated. And I think the thoughts which are wrong should be stopped and registered or debarred from propagation. And the thoughts which are in favor of humankind, in favor of the welfare of the masses, that should be propagated as well. Okay. The Hindus in the particularly presented a very sorry sight, and every action of Gandhiji was pro-Muslim and anti-Hindu. In this book, you want to say that Gandhiji was pro-Muslim and anti-Hindu. That mean, pro-Muslim, pro means in favor of, it is a prefix, and anti is also a prefix, it is also against. Pro-Muslim means in support of Muslim, and anti means in against or contradictory to ideology and belief faith of Mahatma Gandhi towards Hindu. Actually, it is not correct. Mahatma Gandhi was a Hindu as well as every religion was present in him. I can frankly say and assert, because he was such a person and a genius. We cannot think of that every people from every country and every great leader choose him to be the ideal of their life. So he cannot be in favor of only particular group. He is in favor of all group and religions. But what he wants is a reformation in every religion group, and he wants the peaceful cooperation, mutual understanding, and satisfaction, as well as the peace is existence, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, language, and the hue of the skin. But actually, he was doing very good thing. Another thing is that he has also described in this book, and we have a very brief time to discuss about this book. And in this book, he has also said that there are so many reasons that I can confess for the murder of Mahatma Gandhi or assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, but actually it is a very false. The persons in this side Mahatma Gandhi, in this side Nathuram Goddess, but actually this book is published in order to spread the Hindu agenda. Actually, those persons who are in favor of this book, they do not know there are so many flaws in these books. Actually, there is no proof or evidence for Nathuram Goddess if or whether he has written this book. This book is created artificially in order to create confusion, and there is an enigma in our mind that is almost engrossed in the society, and we cannot depart from it, we cannot live without it, still we have to go with it. You can also see there is another book, The Story of My Experiment with Truth. It is autobiographical sketch of Mahatma Gandhi. If you compare those two books, you can get so many good things from the first rather than the latter, because by going towards and forward and backward, you will get the same thing. Why I asserted Gandhi? And in this book, he asserted, the Mahatma Gandhi asserted the ideal state, and the people from every generation should be go and towards the good and the welfare of the human society. And in this book also, he has said that a student life, a human life should be based on non-violence and peace. And there should be no enmity between the nations and the nations, because as the humans of the world, we have to work being cooperated with each other, and the mutual relationship that we have should be supported. And at last I want to say, those persons who are against Nathuram Goddess and those persons who are against also Mahatma Gandhi says they should know the fact that they may be against any persons, but before being against any person, they should have the reason and effects. If I am against Mahatma Gandhi, there should be reason, but that reason should be proved. If I am against Nathuram Godse, there should be reason and that should be proved. So, at last I want to pray those persons who believe that communalism is a good thing, religious fanaticism, bigotry, and the long range of violence should be perpetuated in this democratic society, they should study this book. I simply suggest that they should study this book because they will get the communal elements in this book and their mind will be blurred and their own conceptions will be faded away. But by reading this book, I am 100% sure you will get the complete definition of life. By following this, you can have a reformer zeal towards society and you can approach the existing system and value but do not change its root cause. Mahatma Gandhi was a Hindu, Mahatma Gandhi was a Muslim, Mahatma Gandhi is everything else. There is the conglomeration of all the religions in his mind. Do you know who called Mahatma Gandhi the father of our nation? It is the Subhash Chandra Bose, the leader of the leader and the patriot of the patriots, regarded Mahatma Gandhi as the father of our nation. You understand better. And he also said that Mahatma Gandhi is the lifeblood and soul of our nation. Without him, no struggle can be perpetuated, can be existed for any long time. He called Mahatma Gandhi the father of our nation. Rabindranath Tagore, the Gurudev of India, he was also the Gurudev of India by Mahatma Gandhi, who was the poet laureate and who won the spur and laurels by being awarded the luxurious and acclamated Nobel Prize in 1913. Also said, Mahatma Gandhi is the noble soul that is called Mahatma in Hindi or also in Odia. You have also heard of Albert Einstein, the great scientist, the man of that generation, the great man of that generation. He also adopted by saying that I will choose non-violence by being perpetuated with violence because he chose Mahatma Gandhi as his ideal. He also once asserted, and in assertion you can find, he said, generation may pass, but this world can never see the persons ever with flesh, blood and life in this world walking on the surface of this earth. That means he praised the great qualities of Mahatma Gandhi. There is also another person, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was also in support of Mahatma Gandhi, and he also said that we may take any other way, but we should support Mahatma Gandhi in his own ideology. So I want to say the four brilliant intellectual and you can say the copious of the affluent persons, those who are intellectually strong, morally abundant and literally very strong, and within the support of the masses of the people and the leaders of the country, who they are also in favor of Mahatma Gandhi. Why are not we? By just showing this one book, can we call Mahatma Gandhi is nothing else? Is he the person who you can call him patriot? Actually, he is not patriot. He is a treasurer in a form of patriot. So, time came and we have discussed a lot enough. So, to close this video, I request you to all of you, like and subscribe my channel. And if someone or somebody were hit by my acclamation over the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi and my acclamation against Nathuram Godse as the treasurer, forgive me, and I hope you like and enjoy my video. And also many thanks to all of you for listening and watching my video. Thank you very much.